Oh, this is gonna be a bitch. Almost $4 a gallon. Ooh. So many fingerprints. Why do I do this to myself? Come on. Okay, I'm gonna call it as it is. Oh. Those of you wondering why I do that, I don't like getting gas on my tank, and it keeps the gas splouts just from the thing coming out. Seriously, it's just to keep the fucking droplets from the nozzle coming out on my bike. Cause I don't like cleaning that shit up. It's a pain in my ass. Man, these GoPro batteries suck ass for like longevity, because I swear I get 1% a minute, or like 1% every minute and a half, 2 minutes, because I only get like an hour 10 and it dies. No, that would be 110 minutes. No. I actually get less than a minute percentage. Jesus Christ. It's fucking ridiculous. Anyway, I'm getting on the highway. I kind of want to do my own meet and greet this year, honestly. Like, set something up so that y'all can come hang out with other moto vloggers. Not necessarily me, I'm not famous or special, I'm just a middleman. I kind of want to do a big one. Like, I know there's some being planned, but I want to plan my own, you know? Like, if you'd be interested in showing up to that, let me know. I'll reach out to you with details, or potential details. This is illegal. Oh, white line, hello. Hello, Papi. Pretty sure it's only 55 through here right now, but we're going 60 and a 6, so I gotta drop her down anyway. But yeah, if y'all want to do a meet and greet, let me know. Like, might not be the greatest thing in the world that I've ever done, but I have hopes and aspirations that I can get a few people together that want to. Like, I know it might not be a big shebang, but dude, think of all the clout you can get by putting people's name in your fucking video. Like, imagine if you had, like, I don't know who that guy was. He just had his hand out, so I waved at him with my noggin, because I'm turning with my clutch in. So this is Harbor Island, y'all. It smells like goose shit 90% of the time, because there's a lot of geese through here. None right now, because, you know, they're making me into liars, but look at all that shit out there. Look at all the bird trails. Rabbits. Hello, Hassan Pepper. Look at all those rich fucking people with their boats. And that big ass building, is that like a marina building, or is that somewhere they work and they can park their boats at work? The questions may never be answered, because I'm not rich enough to do that. I'll never be rich enough to buy a boat. See, I can believe these ones being like 400,000. Look at the garage though. Look at that garage. I want a garage like that. That's nice. It's big. I like big garages. At least 2 stalls, because, you know, 2 motorcycles can fit in one car spot, and then I can have a nice car next to them. Or a nice car. Sorry, nice car. Or 2 bikes, and then repair bay next to them. I don't know, I'm a really big fan of biking a lift and a nice car. That's just my deal though. So let's see here, how much room is there gonna be? Enough for me, haha. I was gonna let him go, but I don't know where he's going. And I also gave him ample time to go. Damn, now my entire rear view is just forwarded. So here, I'll pull forward if you can pull forward. I hope I get one of these lights red with no cars so I can open it up, because the bike is already feeling fucking hotter than shit right this second. Oh, my prayers have been answered. Yeah, I'd say that's aired out a little bit. No, my legs aren't as hot. I'm back in neutral. Ooh, a Gixxer. It's a nice looking Gixxer. How can I tell it's a Gixxer, you ask? It's all white because he's got an off-white R on the side. Like the square for the Gixxer, the R part. It's a matte off-white on the like pearl white. So I got good eyes when I have my glasses on. Otherwise, I couldn't even read the fact this is a Camry in front of me. I totally got my picture taken right there. What the fuck? Why? F-type. F is for fast, right? Right? Yeah. I will not stop, but I will get the way the fuck over for you. Oh, that cam in first fucking gear though is sexy. Like, listen. Oh, that's so good. I love it so much, dude. I still have not found fucking the actual scooter bro yet. I've been getting looks though. I like how people rubber band their necks, like rubberneck. I fucking love it so much. Either that or it's the GoPro on my face, one of the two. Ooh, a rocket, nice! See a nice Nomad up there though. Doubt that I'm gonna get alongside that for a good close-up shot. It's just a feeling I have. See, on the bike, the exhaust sounds like just noise, but then you get off it and it just sounds like you get off it and then it sounds like it has such a deep, raspy growl to it that's just smooth and it purrs like a motherfucker. I don't foresee there being more than these two. I was right. Even if I wasn't, they gotta stop anyway. Bad juju to run down motorcyclists. Since I'm following a Hot Rod Lincoln apparently, because they're giving her. Jesus. Sheesh, I gotta slow down there. Ooh, a split bumper Camaro. Oh, that's hot. Or is that a GTO? Oh, that's a fire. That's a Pontiac. Still, that's my favorite fucking kind of Pontiac though. Don't know the exact model, but I know that that's like one sexy looking Pontiac. It's probably a Firebird, I'm pretty sure. Those the Trans Ams are specific looks. The only Trans Am I recognize is Smokey and the Bandit with the Eagle. That's all I recognize for Trans Am. Sorry, guys. See, my issue is I get to going in second gear, and then I gotta slow it back down and downshift. So why not just go slow in general? I mean, they already are going slow in general, but you know what I mean? Harleys can hill climb too. Look it. Woo! Yeah. Oh, I got lost in the sauce for a second. That was almost bad. Meanwhile, my bike's falling apart. I was being stared at. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Fuck. I will be next. And the next in line here. Mark my fucking words. I heard a motorcycle. There are so many refined spots here that just sounds awesome to go through here.